As a developer, you can develop Oracle NoSQL database applications using the VS Code IDE by installing the Oracle NoSQL Database connector. This plugin allows you to connect to the NoSQL database directly from the VS Code environment. In this video, you will connect to a non-secure on-premises Oracle NoSQL database connection. You can get started quickly by installing the plugin. Make sure you have downloaded Microsoft Visual Studio Code IDE. To install the Oracle NoSQL Database Visual Studio plugin, open your IDE and click the Extensions option on the left panel. In the search bar, search for Oracle NoSQL Database Connector and click the corresponding option. From the Extensions page, click Install. After the installation completes, you will see an Oracle NoSQL DB option on the left panel. Before using the Visual Studio plugin, you must configure a non-secure KV store. Use this command to start the KV Lite in a non-secure mode. KV Lite is a lightweight, local instance of Oracle NoSQL database useful for development and testing purposes. This command ensures that the data store is deployed and running. This should be the output. Then invoke the proxy using the http proxy.jar command. It might take a few seconds to start up the proxy. This is what the output should look like. Open your Visual Studio Code IDE, click the Oracle NoSQL DB option, then click the Show Connection Settings icon in the Table Explorer to open the Connection Settings panel. From here, select the On-Prem option. To add a new connection, click the Add New Connection button. For the connection name parameter, enter a name of your choice. For the endpoint parameter, enter the hostname and proxy port separated by a colon. The namespace parameter is optional. Since this is a non-secure connection, keep the default security parameter as none and click Add. You are now connected to an Oracle NoSQL database using a non-secure connection, and all the tables in the schema are listed in the Table Explorer. You can now browse, create new tables, and perform different operations.